yummy pepper. I like lots of pepper on my food.
Brianna, no. Stop pouring pepper. It's gonna make me sneeze.
No, Jimmy, you can't sneeze. If you sneeze, you'll die.
I'm gonna sneeze.
No, Jimmy. Gesundheit.
Gesundheit. More like Kasoon death.
Jimmy, no! I get to sneeze.
Brianna, your face is ugly.
Jimmy, why did you say that?
I was distracting you from sneezing, and it worked.
Oh, thank you then.
Hey, Bri.
Sophie, are you sick?
It's just a common cold, nothing serious.
Well, what are you doing here? Are you trying to kill everyone? If people catch your cold, they're going to sneeze for sure.
I haven't sneezed yet.
I don't believe you.
Stay
back.
Here's your textbook.
Thanks, sir. Oh, why is it so dusty?
Oh no, I'm gonna sneeze.